Hey everyone, and welcome to the course. My name is Daniel Buckley, and I'll be your instructor. So, in this course, we are going to have a beginner's look at the Unity game engine. We're going to be looking at how to install the engine, how to set it up, exploring the editor, and then we'll be jumping straight into scripting so we can start applying some logic to our games. So, first of all, the Unity engine is one of the most popular game engines in the world and is used by thousands of developers, both indie and AAA. Unity is also a very versatile engine. Unlike many other engines which have a focus on either 2D or 3D, with Unity you can do it all. You can do 3D, 2D, multiplayer, virtual reality, augmented reality, basically any sort of game or game genre that you can think of can be developed inside of the Unity engine. As well as its versatility for development, you can also build to pretty much any platform you can think of. You can build to desktop, you can build to mobile, console, AR, VR. Unity supports pretty much every single platform. Zenva is an online learning academy with over 500,000 students. We feature a wide range of courses for people who are just starting out or for people who just want to learn something new. The courses are also very versatile, allowing you to learn in really whatever way you want. You can choose to view the online video tutorials, read the included lesson summaries, or even download the course files and follow along with the instructor. Now let's get started with learning the Unity game engine.